Jax, man. Do you know how much grief I got for having 2 videos without the kitty cat in them? Yeah. They thought you left. They thought Angela kicked you out of the RV. They've been saying crazy things. You're still alive and well, right? Okay. Good deal, man. Thanks for checking in. Yeah, good afternoon, everybody. I was surprised at how many people noticed that Jax just has not been on camera. And that's just basically because we've just been so busy with moving into Miranda here, which I am happy to report we are both moved in officially. Not everything is organized, but there will be time for that later. We're gonna go get solar put on the RV, so we gotta head west soon, but actually, it's St. Patrick's Day weekend here, 2019, so we actually got a visitor today. Angela's mom stopped by, and she's going to take care of Jax and Drezzy. We're going to go Uber out to a place to have a few barley pops and celebrate St. Patrick's Day. That's the plan. That's where we are with that. The freshwater tank is all sanitized. A little bit of a delay with the faucet for the shower because the office here doesn't accept packages on the weekend. So I have to wait till Monday on our way out of here to take care of that. It's fine. It's just, they do have a shower facility. We've been going to the clubhouse to shower and it's been okay. But I'm excited to make the shower here work too. You know, like cacti everywhere. And it's not even that warm. We're barely hitting 70 here in Texas. Makes me excited to get out and start swimming in lakes again this summer, this spring at least. So close, we're almost here. Oh, this water doesn't look very nice right now. Maybe it gets more clear when it's sunnier, warmer. All right, well, I'm probably gonna bring the camera with me. I don't know how much I'll share of St. Patrick's Day with you, but definitely gonna film a little bit of it, right? All right, happy St. Patrick's Day, guys. And good morning, guys. We're back in the RV. Got the NASCAR race on here. Fox from Dallas-Fort Worth area. Gonna watch NASCAR race and organize a little bit in the RV now. Jax and Drezzy were doing really good together. I'll show Drezzy later. He's out walking with Angela, but they are putting up with each other a lot better than they were before. So I'm really happy about that. Oh, real quick. Some people were asking what Jax is on. There's Drezzy hanging out right there. The blue adult weight control from PetSmart. This is what we're going with. This is the second bag, actually, so he likes it, he's comfortable with it, and it's a good one. Drezzy, have a good walk out there, buddy. And we got some storage. We're gonna get some different ones, but we're just starting because of space. Angela put this one in here so that we have layers of storage, and we're gonna do that up here. I'll show you. It's just pointless right now because, see, why not have shelves? So we're going to measure a few compartments like this and figure out, oh, I can tell we're on It's still on super wide from last night with the weird... Sorry about that, let me switch it. But got my package to fix this so that we're gonna be able to shower in the RV finally. And I'll show you. Again, I talked about this in my last video, how this had a crack and was leaking. So the one that I am replacing it with is with a single knob. So you would flip it up and turn it to adjust hot and cold in the shower. I feel this is better for an RV because when you're trying to save water and you're turning both knobs on and off, if the trickle thing doesn't work up there, then you constantly have to adjust the temperature every time. How about just make it a one-handed operation and just put it to one side closer to the hot? So, yeah, and this is the first RV I've ever had that had this cracked in there on this one right here. I don't know why that happened exactly, but certainly I will be keeping a close eye on it and making sure it doesn't freeze. So real quick, just to show you how easy this is, because I guarantee you anybody can do this little swap out if you need to, or if you want to make an upgrade. Inside the compartment, once you get it lined up, and Angela helped me, they got these plastic grommets that'll secure it to the board, to the shower head there. And then these are just hand tight on there, back to where they're going to be on the inside of the shower. Yep. Even picked the right color that matches the existing, I think you call this stuff bronze in here. So turn it on and see how this works. Alright, we'll just do a quick test. We checked all the lines, there's no leaks or anything. There might be some air in the line though, but we'll see. Oh, see, I need to tighten that right there, but it's working. Woo! We turn it towards there, it should be hot eventually. And yes, that is hot. If we turn it the other way, it should turn cold. Yep, but I gotta tighten this. Yeah, so Drezzy's kind of picked his side of the bed. I think, hey buddy, I think he likes this one because the sun comes through right where we're parked here. He may change his mind later, and that's cool. But he's got his food bowl right here for right now. Litter box over here on this side, where Jax's stuff is more in here. And we did get a little 8-gallon garbage can with a closing lid. You guys know I've been using these style grocery bags for a long time, in a little 1-gallon trash, but for 2 people, we have a little bit more garbage, so this'll help, and it's still manageable at an 8-gallon bag to just carry in and put in almost any dumpster, really. Anyway, I'm gonna watch the race a little bit, and I'll get back with you guys this afternoon. Dang it, Harvick still has not won a race this year. That's his 3rd top 5 finish, though. That's my driver, Kyle Busch, is on an absolute tear. He won his 200th career race. Kyle Busch is the real thing this year in NASCAR. So, this is not my last day or video in Texas. Texas is a big state. It's going to take us some time to get through. And this is going to be the maiden voyage of Miranda. So, Angela's going to store her van in Texas here with family. And we're going to hit the road. We're going to make some changes. I will point out, some of you have already noticed in the video description of previous videos that Jax and I are back on Patreon. If you don't know what Patreon is, it's, as Jax Austin, my buddy, likes to call it, it's like a tip jar, because you get to watch the videos for free. But if you want some bonus, you guys remember I was on Patreon a couple years ago, and then I stopped doing it. But I brought it back now because I need a place to add extra pictures and little video clips, and a place for the bloopers and the behind the scenes video. And you want to shoot over there, there's a link in the video description below. I'd really appreciate your support on Patreon. As a video creator, it helps me pay for equipment and get into museums and pay for tickets so that I can bring the camera in and share it with you, right? So you can watch it right there from your couch. So there's a bunch of different tiers. You can get pictures and posts from me, and many of my, I think I have 9 Patreon people so far, and they all knew about Miranda way before YouTube and anybody, because that's where I put all that extra teaser stuff. It's a place where I can supplement my YouTube channel and add more pictures and more videos and more behind this. You know, I post a lot to Patreon. I'm going to keep that up because it's easy. And I've also got some other tiers. You can get a personalized postcard from me every month on the road. You can get a signed photo from Jax and I on the road, or you can even be an executive producer of my channel if you like. Go check that out. No obligation, guys. If you can't afford it, don't worry. My YouTube videos will always be here waiting for you for free. Just a little something extra with Patreon, and if you can help out, it really helps support the channel, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys. So, goodbye, Texas. We are heading west. Onward. Bye, guys.